Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and I've got my air fryer, and what I'm going to do is prepare it before I use it the first time. So the first thing I've done, I put it in a well-ventilated location, and I've got the crisper tray in there, which is a little piece that pops down. I've got that in there. I don't have the rack, but I do have that piece. I'm just going to machine wash the rack. So without any food, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that in, and I'm going to set it to 350 degrees. And the whole thing is here, actually, no, I'm going to set it to 400. And then I got 400 degrees on the temp. The time I'm going to do 10 minutes, and then I'm going to click start. And again, you want it in a well-ventilated area. So now what I'm going to do is just let that run for 10 minutes without any food in it. Because anything that's brand new, you've got plastics, you've got metals, you've probably got types of paint. Any of those, what I like to refer to as factory smells and factory taste, I want to get that out of there before I cook on it the first time. So this is how I conditioned my air fryer before using it the first time. Tell me how you conditioned yours within the comments below. And if you're looking for an air fryer, you can find this air fryer and the accessories that I use for it, as well as recipes. Just expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find it all there. And be sure to ring that bell icon when you subscribe to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IrixGuy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.